I'm a coal mining man, I'm a coal mining man, pick and shovel in my hand, I'm a coal mining man.
Then a dreadful moaning sound as the mountain started shaking, timbers breaking, coming down. Now the walls are closing in and the air is getting thin as I contemplate the end of a coal mining man. I'm a coal mining man, I'm a coal mining man, pick and shovel in my hand. I'm a coal mining man. If I die down in this mine, digging Fairmont number 9, bury me right where I stand. I'm a coal mining man. Lord, watch over Adeline if they don't get to me in time. Now I know by now she knows that I'm trapped down in this mine. Keep her near and dry her tears and hold her trembling hand, the only hand that held the heart of this coal mining man. I'm a coal mining man, I'm a coal mining man, pick and shovel in my hand. I'm a coal mining man. If I die down in this mine, digging Fairmont number 9, bury me right where I stand. I'm a coal mining man. Like my father and my brothers and the others gone before, we dig coal that we can't go till there ain't no coal no more. I'm a coal mining man, I'm a coal mining man, pick and shovel in my hand. I'm a coal mining man. If I die down in this mine, digging Fairmont number 9, bury me right where I stand. I'm a coal mining man. Read some words and say amen. Here lies a coal